Welcome to Luanda, the vibrant capital of Angola, where colorful markets tell the story of the country's culture, agriculture, and everyday life. As you walk through Luanda's busy food markets, you're greeted by a wonderful mix of colors, fresh aromas, and the friendly voices of local vendors. These markets are more than places to shop. They are the heart of the community, where families buy fresh ingredients every day and farmers bring their harvest directly to the city. Fresh fruits are one of the biggest attractions. Angola's tropical climate allows many delicious fruits to grow throughout the year. You'll find sweet bananas, juicy mangoes, papayas, pineapples, coconuts, guavas, passion fruit, watermelons, avocados, oranges, lemons, and locally grown baobab fruit, known for its nutritious pulp. Seasonal fruits change throughout the year, giving visitors something new to discover with every visit. One of the most eye-catching sections of Luanda's local markets is the handmade basket stalls. These beautiful baskets are carefully woven by skilled local artisans using natural materials such as palm leaves, reeds, and grasses. Each basket is handcrafted, making every piece unique.
This is pumpkin seed.
How much is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Quanto que é?
7.000 quanto?
Sete?
Sim, 7.
$7,000.
$7, yes, $7.
$7? $7,000?
7,000 quanto? Sim.
Yeah.
One of the most surprising things about Angola's local markets is the incredible size of the fresh fruits. The pineapples are large, sweet, and full of flavor, while the avocados are much bigger than what many visitors are used to seeing. Alongside these giant fruits, you'll find fresh mangoes, bananas, papayas, coconuts, watermelons, oranges, and passion fruit, all harvested from different regions of Angola. One of the most traditional products you'll find in Angola's local markets is dried fish. Carefully preserved using age-old drying methods, dried fish is an important ingredient in many Angolan households. The vegetable section is equally impressive. Fresh tomatoes, onions, cabbage, carrots, lettuce, cucumbers, eggplants, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, cassava, okra, peppers, spinach, beans, and maize are displayed in colorful piles. Many of these vegetables come directly from farming regions surrounding Luanda, making them fresh and affordable for local families.
Yeah.
What makes the experience even more memorable is the warmth of the people. The vendors are incredibly friendly, welcoming visitors with genuine smiles and making them feel at home. Even if you don't speak the same language, their kindness and hospitality create a connection that goes beyond words. Beyond the food, these markets showcase Angola's rich culture. Vendors proudly display their produce. Customers bargain with smiles. And every corner reflects the hard-working spirit of the Angolan people. The markets are lively, welcoming, and full of authentic local experiences that visitors won't find in shopping malls.
Yeah.
Exploring this market isn't just about shopping. It's about experiencing the everyday life, culture, and generosity of the local community. It's these friendly faces and authentic moments that make a visit to Angola truly unforgettable. One of the first things you'll notice when visiting this market is how clean and well organized it is. The stalls are neatly arranged, fresh produce is carefully displayed, and vendors take pride in keeping their spaces tidy. Cassava is one of Angola's most important crops. Its roots are used to make funge, the country's staple food, while cassava leaves are also cooked in traditional dishes. Alongside cassava, maize, beans, peanuts, and palm oil play an essential role in Angolan cuisine. Weekend markets are more than just places to shop. They're important community gathering places where people meet, socialize, and support local businesses. The friendly atmosphere, vibrant colors, and authentic local experiences make this market a must-visit destination for anyone wanting to discover the true spirit of Luanda. Whether you're tasting tropical fruits for the first time, exploring colorful vegetable stalls, or enjoying freshly prepared local food, Luanda's markets offer an unforgettable glimpse into everyday life in Angola. These friendly people are what make Africa's heart even more beautiful. Their warm smiles, genuine kindness, and welcoming spirit turn every visit into an unforgettable experience. It's not just the breathtaking landscapes that make Africa special. It's the people who truly bring its heart to life. For me, this market is a reminder that the true beauty of Africa lies not only in its breathtaking landscapes, but also in the everyday lives of its people. Their warmth, resilience, and generosity make every visit special and reveal the heart and soul of this incredible continent.
Of course, yeah. I gave him 200. I had the last
Thank you for joining this journey through Luanda's food, fruit, and vegetable markets. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures from around the world.